Entering towards your living and the dining area. Your kitchen area, you can have a look over this side is your master bedroom, and this is the most spacious. Living in a township isn't luxury, it's a lifestyle upgrade, because when everything is inside, life runs smoother outside. And that's exactly what Sattva City brings to you. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the sample flight tour Sattva City by Sattva Group, located just before International Airport Toll in Sadahalli North, Bangalore. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. And right now I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this is the main entrance of our Sattva City, and the land parcel starts from here itself. Goes up to 50 acres, and the marketing office is just on the right hand side once you enter. So if you want to have a glimpse of the marketing office, you have to stay tuned until the end. Now let's start with the project overview via this 3D model. So the land parcel starts from here. Here's the main entrance. The project is spread across 50 acres of massive land parcel consisting of 13 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 21 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK penthouse premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and this project offers you 200 plus world-class amenities like let me show you. Here's a temple, a massive clubhouse, football court on the rooftop, swimming pool with jacuzzi, multi-purpose court, tropical garden and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and this project is located just before International Toll Plaza on Bellary Road in Sadahalli North, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on the main entrance. This is the main entrance of Sattva City, and let me show you the neighborhood. So basically this is the Bellary Road, and this road over this side will connect you towards Hebbal. And the opposite side road will take you towards International Airport. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location part. So basically you can connect to Dodajala metro station in just 1 minute from your project. Upcoming Forum Mall is 3 minutes away, and International Airport is just 8 minutes away from this location. Now let's head towards your 3 BHK model flat of 1983 square feet super built up area. So here we start from the main entrance, and this is the main entrance of your 3 BHK house. So once you enter, they have provided a foyer area for your privacy, where you can add up your own decors over this side and even the Shurex space. So from here, you'll be entering towards your living and the dining area. So this part of the house where you can add up your sofa set, your couches and even the TV unit space right in front of the sofa set. And just backside to it is your dining area. So in this horizontal way, you can add up your dining table. Now they have even provided a connecting balcony. So here's a connecting balcony with your living and the dining space, which comes up with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing. And this balcony is 3-side covered, giving you perfect open views. Now with the easy access to your dining area, right over this side is your kitchen space. So let's move further towards your kitchen space. Now once you step inside your kitchen area, you can have a look at the window, the huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose towards your kitchen area. You can have a look over this side, the L-shaped platform, the cabinets which is done for your reference. And over this side, you can add up your refrigerator as well and a serving platform. So the kitchen is much more spacious. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1 is right over this side. So the bedroom, you can have a look. The flooring over here, and this is your window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here's a bed space in the center of the room. And you can have a look. This side is the wardrobe space. You can add up your dressing area over here. And this space, you can even add up your TV unit space, your study table, your work table, or else whatever you want. Now about the washroom space. So the common washroom is right beside this room. Once you step out with the easy access is the common washroom. With anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting and the shower area is divided via tile drop. We'll be moving further towards your next bedroom. So your bedroom number 2 is on the other side of the house. So you have to walk through your living and the dining area. And this side is your bedroom number 2. You can have a look at this bedroom with a huge bed space over here. There is ample of space to move around in the room. And this side, this is not just a window, but a stunning balcony. That is a Juliet balcony with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing as well. The wardrobe space which is right over the side. And now about the washroom. It has a private washroom as well. So here's a private washroom with anti-skid flooring, the sanitary fittings, and again the tile drop which divides your shower area. Now about your master bedroom which is just behind me, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key feature of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. So here we go. Here, this side is your master bedroom and this is the most spacious room of your house. You can have a look with the bed space in the center of the room, and yes, here is the private balcony. This is a private balcony with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will give you a two-side open view so that you can have your own quality times. You can enjoy a sip of coffee with a beautiful view as well. So basically over this side is a TV unit space. You can add up your work table right over here, and there is ample of space in this room as well. You can add up the wardrobe right over this side. And about the private washroom, that is a master washroom which is this side. So here's your master washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now as you all know, we are here at Sattva Group's project. Have you checked another project with Sattva Group? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.